I'm riding dirty. I'm out of here. You ain't coming for me. I hope you boys like Mexico. All right, I should probably stop. Oh. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, we are in the Subaru, and I'm going to do a little bit of land exploring. Now, these tires aren't the greatest, but I have the Yukon here, and another Yukon, and another Tahoe. Got my boy Cam, Mud Junkie 99, which we got some sad but good news. I'm a little sad. Let me see if I can zoom out a tad. I don't know how to zoom while I'm live or whatever. But Cam is officially buying the blue Yukon from me. He's been bugging me now for what, 6-8 months to buy that thing?
Don't worry, it's not going nowhere.
Yeah, so you will still see it.
Unlike the Tahoe, I'm gonna keep this one.
Yeah, so you will still see it on the channel. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. Probably keep it a mall crawler or something nice.
Yeah, she's definitely gonna be a street princess.
Yeah, so he did officially buy the blue Tahoe off of me, and that's okay because when you see the next clip, we're gonna make something else that color. I think they already know by now.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, we're going to do some off-roading out here in the farm and have some fun. All right, well, we are actually out in the farm officially. And let's just see what the old Subaru can do here. I'm going to try to climb this hill over here. Cam doesn't think we can do it, but I think we've got it. And this is going to be the first test. It is covered in snow. Nothing has been back here. Ooh, that's gonna make it tough, but we're gonna try it. All right. At least it's not cold today. All right, we just had to break that first rule.
Wants to.
All right, let me get this big rock. I think it's got it.
You're bottoming out at the top. Oh. A little bit of bumper damage.
I know, half of the bumper's still up there. Dude, I think it'll make it.
It's trying.
Oh, that's worse than I thought.
Hey, you said you're taking it off anyway, right?
Yeah, it's got to come off to finish the wrap.
Oh yeah, there's a sneak peek of the wrap right there.
I think we got it.
Put some zip ties on it, call it a day.
I think we got it this time. Let me get the rest of my bump.
Let me get the rest of my bumper.
I think we got it. I need to back up just a tad more.
It's starting to bottom out at the top, though.
We just need more speed.
Oh, shit. Mr. Send is about to send it. So close. So close.
I'm not gonna lie, I hit something super hard on this side.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Oh, it got my rocker. Oh, it crushed it.
Rally car?
Rally car. We're backing up and doing it again. Dude, it's so close, I'm telling you. It's gonna make it. A tad more speed. I know I said that the last time.
Yeah, you hit that rock up there on the right.
Yeah.
Slid into it.
I got it. This is it.
This is it. So close. So close. She's high centered. Well, hey, do you need to change any tires? Now would be the time.
Tires aren't even on the ground.
That's what I said. Do you need to change any tires? Now would be the time.
Damn it, it almost did it. Alright, I gotta... If this starts sliding, you better run, because there's no brake. I'm coming back.
We might be going to get a Yukon or a Tahoe. She's stuck.
There it is. We got it. Guys, this hill really does zero justice too, by the way. Like, that hill is absolutely insane. We got it. We got it. It sounded like my front bumper was still up there, but I think it's actually still intact. Exactly. I'm excited because the only damage I have, I can cover up with a license plate or something. I can get a Senate Steve license plate and cover that damage up right there. That's really the only damage. Now, you will see some of the other cracks like this, but this stuff was kind of there. But I'm okay with it. Just a beater.
Good job.
I think we're going to try to go through the lower end down here. So as I'm looking at this, these ruts are huge, and we don't really have very much ground clearance in this, but I really want to try it. Drop your comments down below. Should I try this or should I not? I'm going to wait for Cameron to actually come down here and maybe he can send that through. I don't know. Like, I don't think you guys understand how big these ruts really are. Definitely gonna swallow the Subaru, I think. But I also think we just try it. Once I get like here, I'll be good. I think I can just wrap around. But it's like, to get to there, it's pretty rutted up. There's some pretty big ruts.
I don't think you're gonna make it with street tires on there, man.
Look at these ruts right here. Like,
Yeah, that's for my truck, that backhoe that was back here.
yeah.
All the Jeeps.
So what we're saying is we try it.
I mean, what you're saying is you try it, but I'm telling you to send it.
All right, I'm going for it. I think I can make it. Here's
The hard part is going to be getting to where this
that
got
was stuck. Yeah, but I'm hoping that it's frozen. So I'm hoping that's my only benefit.
Yeah, but once you hit that dip, you better hope it doesn't bottom out. Stop.
He's being negative. Let's send it.
Oh, oh.
Once I hit that first bump,
Dude.
invested.
Oh my God. Get out and look at this side real quick. Oh.
Once it hit that first bump, I knew I was invested in too deep. Oh, that's terrible.
In too deep. Yeah, it's about up to your bumper.
So you know how I said like it looks a lot deeper? I knew it was gonna be this deep. I knew it. So I tried to stay this way and go down through, but the problem is it sucked me in. I couldn't get out of it.
Well, I told you might not make it through here. And what'd you say? Negative energy, right?
Negative energy. We have no negative energy here.
Yeah,
So
no.
actually what we should do is go get the Denali. Wish you guys would have seen Cam's face on that one. We're gonna go get that part sheet I just bought and get this thing out of here.
No, we can go get the Denali.
No.
No matter. I want to see what it does anyway.
No, we don't.
Hey, oh yeah. No more front diffs being broke today.
No. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But we got a leak. We're gonna have to hurry up and try to do this thing fast. I'm gonna try to back up a little bit. All right, so we got it back far enough. He's a little stuck over here, but I'm gonna try to keep going through because we got the Jeep here, so what's it matter? Let's try again.
She made it. She made it further than what she did last time.
I did make it, and like an idiot, like we always do, I left that window down, so now it's a mud truck.
Hey.
We made it further.
Same thing I did to my fucking green excursion. But hey, as long as you're having fun, that's all that
We're
matters,
gonna
right?
make it through this.
Just pull it back with the Jeep one more time and full sender.
I think it's got it. We're breaking through. All right, stand by. Well, since we already told them that you bought the blue Yukon off of me, I guess I might as well show them what what you traded in on it.
The new reveal, huh?
New reveal coming in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken.
Alright, we got Cam in there. I'm in the new truck, and I think I already gouged the wheel already. Again, Cam just put these wheels and tires on this thing. But I should be able to pull him out easily with this thing. I hope. So here's to hoping it goes smoothly. Oh, I dropped my phone there, but the Subaru is out. It's out. We done did it. Success with the new Tahoe. Now I gotta get it detailed. Well, it's official. This sucks. I won't lie, I just spent probably an hour cleaning this thing out. And it's definitely a tough decision, but I guess the deal is done. And after a year of bugging me, you finally wore me down. And it's only because I have the Denali. If I didn't have the Denali, I probably wouldn't.
If you bug him enough, eventually he gives in.
Yeah, he's definitely been bugging me for this for quite some time. And again, I don't really have to sell it. I just kind of wanted to sell it. He's been asking me, and I decided, you know what?
If you ever want it back, you can get it back.
Yeah, now's the time to do it. I might as well do it. Free up some kind of money right now, which isn't really here, but it'll all make sense in the end, I think. There's a method to my madness, I promise. But, all right, guys, go follow MudJunkie99 if you want to see this thing, see what he does with it. I guarantee he's going to wash it because he's not the type to leave his stuff this dirty. But enjoy it, and yeah, this one's sad. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. Literally all night last night, my girlfriend's probably so mad at me because I was like, I don't know why I'm selling it. Like, I don't really have to. Like, it definitely sucks, but enjoy. Oh, never did I imagine it was really going to be this tough. I didn't think it was going to be this tough. I thought I'd just be like, it's just another vehicle. This thing is way bigger in person, guys, than you really know. As you can tell by my piece of siding hanging down, it's going to hit. There it goes. The last time you will see the Tahoe in my ownership. Take care, and I'll see you when I see you. All right, guys and girls, well, that's going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I did end up pulling the Subaru out with the new Tahoe. I'm actually going to switch the wheels that are on that Tahoe over to my old Denali wheels because I am just going to sell that thing. I'm going to list it for like $3,800 or best offer, runs and drives. Seems to be a good truck. Cam's owned it now for probably 4 or 5 months. Again, he's been bugging me for my truck, so now he owns it. And you know what? I'm happy to see him have it, of all people. I'm glad because I know he's going to take care of it and enjoy it. So congratulations, Cam, on it. Enjoy it. And I'm going to swap the wheels real quick. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.